The ECH350V series of printed circuit board connector sockets from DINKLE are male plugs made from the highest quality insulation plastic and heat-resistant materials and can withstand temperature fluctuations, vibrations, and shocks. DINKLE creates their products with industry-leading techniques that provide electricity or signal transmissions for hundreds of applications in dozens of industries like factory automation, process automation, power automation, railway transportation, new energy, and equipment manufacturing. These secure PCB connector sockets are RoHS3 compliant, have industrial-grade PA insulation material, and possesses 3.5mm pin spacing, 3.4mm pin length, and have solder connection actuation. Boasting simple installation and easy maintenance, the ECH350V Series has top plug entry position, a variety of single-level designs, 3.50mm pitch, and 2 to 24 pole positions to ensure that you have a PCB connector socket that can fit your application needs. For more information on the ECH350V series of printed circuit board connector sockets from DINKLE, visit us at gelco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Gelco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.